Welcome to the All-Star Math Video Tutor. This is Mr. Moore and the topic of this lesson is absolute value. The absolute value of a number is always the positive value for that number. For a positive number, it's just that number. For a negative number, just take away the negative sign so it's a positive value. So, the absolute value of 5 is 5. And the absolute value of negative 5 is also 5. Absolute value is actually the distance from 0 to the number. Absolute value is distance. Distance is always positive. Therefore, absolute value is always positive. Absolute value is written like this. Vertical bars go around the number. So you would say the absolute value of negative 7 equals 7. For the equation with bars around 7, you would say the absolute value of 7 equals 7. Remember, you can think of absolute value as the distance from 0 to your number. Count the spaces, not the lines. Let's look at some examples. The absolute value of negative 6 would be, well, let's look. We're going to count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our absolute value of negative 6 would be 6. Let's look at another example. The absolute value of 9. Let's count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The absolute value of 9 would be 9. Let's look at another example. The absolute value of negative 3. Let's count the spaces. 1, 2, 3. The absolute value of negative 3 would be 3. And one more example, the absolute value of 5. We'll count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the absolute value of 5 would be 5. Remember that absolute value is a distance. Distance is always positive. Therefore, absolute value is always positive. This is the end of this All-Star video lesson.